3 days before Christmas, and there are 35 cookie makers at the cookie. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 helpers right there along the table, and the table is packed. And if you look here, it's kids everywhere, crawling through them, trying to get out and show you all the other kids. There's some space here still. We can still feed more kids in here.
You're not ready.
The table is pretty busy. The table is pretty busy. We still have more space here. This looks like a nice quiet area right now.